What's up guys, Mandusa here today doing a Risk of Rain playthrough. Alright, today we're going to be doing the Bandit, how to unlock the Bandit. Alright, first off, I'm not really going to show a video of me unlocking the Bandit because I don't really want to erase my data to show, just a big blip on the screen saying you unlocked the Bandit. Pretty much in a nutshell, you beat the third stage, you get the Bandit. This can be done on all difficulties, so don't listen to anyone when they say you have to be on Rainstorm, the normal difficulty, because you don't. So really easy to get. Just pretty much just rush through the levels, get at least some items. Don't panic, and maybe a couple playthroughs you'll get it. It's not too hard. Anyway, the Space Cowboy here. He's got his blast, dynamite toss, smoke bomb, and lights out. Pretty much the first ability you can spam as quick as you can click, so keep that in mind. Dynamite toss, you just kind of similar to the Enforcer's last ability. Smoke bomb, pretty much that's his get out of their ability. You go invis, they'll just pretty much de-aggro off of you. They won't touch you, so you can kind of get away for a while. It's pretty cool, especially if you have a ton of enemies that are just wrecking you. Lights out, the last ability. Pretty much you take aim, you're going to do a ton of damage, and if you kill an enemy, all the cooldowns are going to be reset, so that's fucking awesome. Alright, let's get it started. So that is like just holding it down. Now let's try to click it as fast as we can. Yeah, it seems like it might be capped out at a certain speed, but still, it's pretty good. You can also use the invis to go faster, just keep that in mind. Alright, cool, mortar tube. Oh wow, just jumped on like holy grail of items. Alright, well, times like these you just want to farm up some kills, get some money. Alrighty, kind of just keep this guy at bay. See how the all my cooldowns popped after I got that kill, the last ability. Let me show you the stun. Right, one sec. I didn't want to stun right there, but okay. It's gonna be one of those playthroughs where like no enemies want to spawn. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's see what we can get. We have the minefield. It's okay. We got the fire shield. It's a pretty decent item. Let's just do a normal random one. Alright, got life saving, so gain gold over time. That comes in handy. There we go. Alright, now we can kind of start earning some money. See how they just kind of stop attacking you. It kind of comes in handy. You want to just chain together his abilities because his damage output is pretty good, but you can just kill people a lot quicker if you just use the cooldowns when you have them anyway. Let's use the altar. Another fire shield. Yeah, I'm not gonna use that one again. It's just not worth. Let's see what's up here. One chest. Meat nuggets. It's pretty lame. Alright, the teleporter has to be this way, so we're just gonna go this way. Why not? Boom, headshot. Oh, nice. Alright, that's gonna just make me get tons of gold. I have double life savings. Just broke my twig legs. These guys will take 10 years to get down here. Oh shit. Elites always have to ruin the day. Yeah, you can pretty much just like keep people back with this guy, but he isn't the tankiest of characters. Come on. Alright, there we go. Oh, shit. Sweet old box. Chance to fear enemies. Pretty handy. It's not an item you see too often. That's a lot of columns, holy crap. No hugs for you. Let's see. Pretty much gonna do the rusty blade for the bleed effect. Completely shot the wrong way. Oh god, these guys. That guy just exploded. Brains everywhere. All over the grassy knoll. Okay, that's kind of broken. It's gonna use this to finish everyone off. Headshot. Headshot again. Easy. See the red numbers, that's the bleed. Come on. Oh, nice. It's gonna be one of those double every item kind of game. Just gonna pop shot. Why not? Toss a nade in the face. Hopefully soon the creators are gonna add the extra classes they promised. That'll be pretty cool. I think one is supposed to be a melee, kind of like a fighter type. If you play League of Legends, you'll know the character Vi. Similar to that. If you go to Risk of Rain website, you'll be able to kind of see a small, like short little video of the guy jumping around and beating the shit out of people. Oh my god. So much damage. Mercy. It's one thing I like about the Bandit, like, you shoot pretty much fast enough to, I guess, stand there for a while. Like most, you can't really get too much damage out before they catch up to you. This guy's trying to juke me. Alright, I have no idea what I'm talking about, and the teleporter is all the way over here. Let's just do another fire shield. Oh yes, lens makers. That chance of the double damage total worth. We're gonna use a couple of these. Nice. The boxing gloves with the knockback is just way too good. So they pretty much can never get near you if you can knock them back, so it's kind of broken. Got itchy throat. Must be like all the fucking way on the left. I apparently can't grab ropes. Forgive my Mario platformer skills. I'm just gonna take the damage because he's not gonna kill me. Hopefully not. And that guy just has his head poking out, so why not shoot it and get a headshot? Nice. Alright, so we're getting a little bit more tanky now. We need some more damage items though. Let's actually go to the corner of the map. See if we can find some sweet loot. Nice. Oh, there we go. Crowbar, there's some more damage. See how fast we can kill this guy. Before the elites have to ruin the party. Because they're assholes. We're just gonna jump. Because jumping's the way to go. Oh god. This guy's trying to catch me. Wow. I don't know why I'm getting so many doubles, but I'll take it. That guy's brains just went everywhere. Fuck you, lizard man. If only we had some more chests to open up. I have so much money. Oh god. Holy shit, I'm gonna die. Oh man, I'm about to die. About to die, about to die, about to die. Holy shit. Sweet ninja cowboy tactics. For my better judgment, I was gonna climb that rope, but I decided not to. Well, that seems safe. Alright, we have to go up here, so I'm just gonna have to possibly die. Oh shit. Maybe I'll get lucky and find some healing items. We'll see. Very lame. At least it will turn into EXP once I actually finish the level. I don't think I actually went this way. So there probably is a lot more, yeah. There we go. I want the chainsaw because why not? Or the saw blade, I should say. It's pretty dope. I almost wonder like what items they might add for the next big update or whatever. Sweet. That'll actually work pretty good with me just because of the fact that, you know, those crits will heal and he tends to crit a lot. This guy almost looks like he has a poncho. Cha. You ask yourself, how do I fit that giant, big ass saw blade in my pocket? Or wherever you put items in this game. I probably should have saved that for these guys, but, you know, logic. Six more. This is probably the longest I've ever had to take on a level. Wow. And you're done. Dead bodies everywhere. Finally. That's so much money. Fungal Haven. I hate this place with a passion. Oh god. It's always weird when you're playing a game and you fall and it makes your stomach jump. Might just be me. Almost always on this level the teleporter is like right here, so that's why I'm going this way. I have a feeling this level's gonna get nuts with elites. Oh god, I'm gonna turn around and do that. Jeez. They're so strong. Let me out of here. Flash, that's what it is. Flash skills. Oh, it would make those guys spawn right in front of me. Assholes. Stop spawning in front of me. Nice, level up. If I could actually make the freaking jump. Just die. Or I just be men. I'm gonna go face to face. That's probably the reason why I'm about to die right there. That guy's just wrecking me. We're gonna be balls, we're gonna do it. We're gonna sacrifice 113. And that was a stupid decision. What a stupid decision. Smartest of men. God, that was dumb. Watch him spawn right there. Oh my god. Well, that sucks. Alrighty. Damn yous. Damn yous. Alrighty, let's just look around for a bit. So I've actually only played the Bandit a few times. I'm probably sort of a liar when I say he's one of my favorites, but I always kind of like playing him. Commando, everybody's gonna play a lot just because, you know, sometimes it takes a while to try to actually get, you know, the crap in the game, and as you can see, you know, you start with that guy. Agrid's pretty fun. My next video will probably be, now I want to save him for a little bit later. Will probably be the engineer, just because he's like my legit favorite, and I actually beat the game with him so for the first time, and that was pretty awesome. So anyway, well, that was a short playthrough. I just wanted to see how far I'd get it with him, and you know, just kind of give you a little idea how he works. But alright, well, if you enjoyed the video, just subscribe and like, and, you know, pass me on to other people. If you like my videos, that'd be cool if you can let others know. But yeah, have a good one. Thanks.